Hello, and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to do some investigating. It was brought to my attention that you can bring old mascara back to life. And so we're going to test this out and see if this trick really works. So this little tip was brought to my attention by Tina. Thank you, Tina. Mwah. And she said that she read about this and that all you have to do is stick an old tube of mascara inside hot water for 10 to 15 minutes and it will magically come back to life. So let's test it out. The first thing I want to show you is that I have like a relatively almost new tube of mascara as well as an old tube of mascara. And I just wanted to kind of compare them both together just so you could see that there will be a difference. If there is, I don't know, I haven't done it yet. And this is the relatively new tube of mascara. As you can see, there's mascara built up on the top, letting you know that there's definitely a lot of mascara still inside. So if I were to brush it on my hand, you definitely see the mascara. Here's the old tube. Even when I pulled it out, I could feel that there's like nothing inside, nothing to really get on to the wand anymore. I mean, there's still stuff on the wand, but it's definitely not as much as that one. So let's put this in hot water and see if it comes back to life. But for this, we're gonna need to go on a little road trip to my kitchen. Let's go. Okay, we got our mascara and we're about to go road tripping to the kitchen. Sadie, you wanna come? So let's grab a mug. This one will do. Let's fill it up with water. And now you know what we're gonna do? We gonna microwave it. 2 minutes ought to do it. It's probably gonna be hot. Oh yeah, that's hot. The handle's okay. All right, let's stick the mascara inside for 10 to 15 minutes. Who knew? It floats. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
I feel like 12 minutes is in between 10 and 15, so, you know, that should work. We should never want the puppies till then, huh? Ooh, 12 minutes already. Let's check on it. All right, let's go find out if it worked. Okay, so let's see if this worked. Oh, I'm a little nervous. Oh, you know, I don't know if you could see, but a little bit of mascara came off on the end of there, which it did not before. So that means that it must have loosened up some mascara that was inside. It had to. Huh, it's so crazy. Okay, let's swipe it on the hand. Now, that's definitely darker than it was because this is what it was and this is what it is now. That's very interesting. It seems to have worked just a little bit. I'm gonna try to put some on my bottom lashes just to, you know, see if I can feel it. Some definitely came off, but I don't think it's as much as like a brand new mascara. Like, I don't feel like it makes it like brand new again, but it did work a little bit. I'm gonna have to say it works. So if you're in a pickle and you're like, oh my gosh, I have like no more mascara and I need to put mascara on, and you like can't get anything off of the dry wand, then yeah, throw it in some hot water and, you know, get one more go out of it if you need to, if you're like in a desperate situation or something. But I don't think that it makes you like a brand new mascara, you know, that you could use for like a couple weeks. I think you're only gonna get like 1 to 5. Let's give it 1 to 5 applications of mascara because again, the tube's pretty empty and there's probably just not a lot left. So you're just basically getting down to the bare minimum of what's left in this tube. Hey, did it work? Yeah, it worked. Does it work well? I mean, kind of. But again, I like it. Thanks, Tina, for bringing this tip to my attention. And if this is something that is going to be useful to you, now you know. And remember, sharing is caring. So make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, if you have any tips like this or like tips that I have been doing lately, or maybe there's a tip that you know of that you haven't tried yet, you don't even know if it works, let me know about it. Email me at ashleyyoulife@gmail.com and I'll try it for you. And then hey, I'll even give you a little shout out. And if you're new to my channel, I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly, so do make sure to subscribe, click on my face right down below, and hit that little bell next to that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the fun. I seriously, no joke right there, got to the end of see you next class and I was like, did I hit record? Did I hit record? Did I hit record? And like at the very end, I looked over and I was like, thank goodness I hit record, because I was like, I feel like that was a really good like ending segment. I feel it all wrapped up really nicely. I didn't really make any mistakes throughout it. Like I didn't have to go in and like do like a retake or anything. So whew, glad I hit that record button. So this is the new tube of mascara right here. That wasn't the new tube. That was the old tube. All right, rewind, refilm. Just for the fun of it, here are all the things that I did while I waited for the 12 minutes to be up. The first thing that I did was I fed Sadie. and she just finished eating. And then when I fed Sadie, I kind of realized that I was a little hungry, so I remembered that I had a rotisserie chicken in the fridge, and then I remembered I'd made a homemade like peanut sauté sauce, so I took the chicken and I dipped it in the sauce, and it's oh so good. And then I'm like, the chicken's only gonna take me so far. I need to think about what I want to do for dinner. And so what I'm thinking is we have leftover curry chicken in the fridge. And I found this edamame spaghetti at Costco today, which edamame is like the only ingredient in here. So I'm boiling some water because I thought the chicken curry would go super yummy over this. I hope you enjoyed this installment of This Is What I Was Doing while I was waiting for the time to be up.
Look at baby girl being so good as I film. She's so cute.